If your Wi-Fi is connected but internet is not working, then in this video I'll tell you few methods by which you can fix this issue. First of all, simply navigate to your settings application and scroll down and go to general management like so. Then go to time and date like this and make sure that the date and time is accurate. Once you are confident enough that date and time is correct, then go back once again and scroll upwards and go to connections like so. Then go to Wi-Fi section like this and tap on this settings icon. Then what you have to do is tap on forget, then connect the Wi-Fi once again. Enter your Wi-Fi password. Once you have entered the password, tap on connect like so. And by doing this, your issue will most likely be fixed. However, if the issue still remains, then go back to main settings like this and scroll down and go to general management once again. Then scroll down and tap on reset. Scroll down once again and right here you can see reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. Tap on that and tap on reset settings. After that, go back once again and connect your Wi-Fi once again. Go back, scroll upwards, go to connections once again, tap on Wi-Fi and connect your Wi-Fi once again. Once you have entered the password, tap on connect and your issue will most likely be fixed. However, if the issue still remains, then try to check the internet on another device. Connect the same Wi-Fi to another device and check if it is working on the other device. If it is working on another device but the issue is right here, then you can restart your device as well and this will most likely fix your issue. To restart, simply swipe down from the top right corner and tap on this power icon. Then tap on restart and tap on restart once again. So that's how you can easily fix Wi-Fi connected but internet is not working. So that's it for this video. If this video helped, subscribe.